Okay, NeuBeam was new in our community, and they put up a central pole that was going to be feeding everybody in the community. Unfortunately for me, I lived about a half a mile away from the main tower and down a driveway with a lot of woods around. So what NeuBeam was able to do for us is actually feed from the main tower to a remote site. From that remote site, they went to a second remote site, and from that second remote site they were able to send the signal back to our house. So they really had to do some engineering to make that work for us, and we've been very satisfied with the installation, the service, and haven't had any problems with NeuBeam since it was installed at our house.
Yes, I live on a waterfront community with made up of mostly retirees, and we're not looking for industrial productivity increases, but we are looking for family contacts and entertainment. For example, many of us have ultra high definition televisions and would enjoy streaming movies, and NeuBeam has fit that bill very nicely.
Yes, when I first started seeing advertisements of NeuBeam, I contacted. The lady informed me there was no service in my area at that time. Within less than 3 months, she contacted me and said that they had put a tower in my area and asked if I would like to join their team. Of course, I was on board. And I liked the idea that they put a tower in a small town like Willis, Wharf, where you have like less than 100 people, not knowing the population that they were going to gain on their team. They took that risk. And as far as I know, most of Willis Wharf is now with NeuBeam.